So welcome back to the Fibonacci Swings. This is Overker, and today we are analyzing the USD, how I captured the move and how I got enough profit to make pass my account of stage one of funding pips. So let's deep dive into the trade. Before that, follow my this page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get regular weekly updates and trade breakdowns to get your psychology better. So as of now, we can see price has actually shifted the structure here. If we looking to buy, so you can now buy in the discount areas. So my favorite area to buy would be here. So I would like to buy here. Yeah, you can buy around this area. I would likely to do here because this area looks so clean and there is some sort of liquidity is building up here. You can see the trend line is building, so you can buy here. So our main focus is about trade breakdown. Let's go to 1 hour. So this was the daily fair value gap. If you see mitigating with the hourly fair value gap, which was already filled, but yeah, price actually go up to there, make this fair value inverse fair value gap, and something magical happens around this area. So let's go into the 3 minute time frame. So in the 3 minute time frame, we can see that price was here. So my take profit was below this area. So my take TP was roughly here. So I took my TP around this area. I will share you the proof on my Instagram stories. You can watch there. Okay, so now see, price has come up to this area, and I was waiting for some sort of structures. So now price was here. Price left out of fair value cap. Price filled the fair value caps, and price went up. So if you see that there was a liquidity sweep also. Price did a liquidity sweep. Price went below, and this was a structure shift here in the 3 minute time frame. So now So now we want to enter into the discount PD array. That means we want to enter an area which is in a discount, and so that we can get a better risk to reward ratio. So let's me remove this. So now we can see that we have this fair value gap here tapping into the area, which is also in a discount. So if we measure it from the Fibonacci using this, yeah, so there is premium discount here. We can see that this area is in the discount on the short area, and you can see the premium area, so that I can just do short. So this was an discounted area. This was a fair recap. I entered roughly around here. My stop loss was about this high, so I was taking a good risk reward trade. So now when price reacted to this area, I just directly entered because I know price has given up a shift, a big nice move. Fair value cap reacting with this some sort of order block or mitigation block, some sort of support, and this was also a support become resistance. So too many confirmations, too many areas to see. Then I targeted my below areas, which was roughly around here. So this trade took almost, I was for 13 hours, but I was sleeping at that time, so I did not remember what happened at this moment. So see price here, and price gave a nice reaction. Price reacted to this area. Price went up here. Again, there was entry, a possibility to enter, but that time I was sleeping. So price go here, and price also come to this area. Price rejected to this value cap, and then boom, my TP was hit, and I made almost 6% in this trade, risking 1%. So there was a risk to reward of 1:6. So I entered here. My stop loss was roughly here. Yeah, 37 quantities, 0.37 lot size, and my take profit was roughly around this area. Yeah, 1:6 risk to reward trade was because it was a with a confirmation. So with confirmation, this is not a gamble, this is trade. So this is how I took the trade. I made almost roughly $300 with it. I passed my challenge. And being so disciplined guy, I remember one thing: when I am following my plan, I am disciplined. I'm using set and forget rule. You can say that I trailed, did not trail my stop loss with it, because if I trailed, so my stop loss will likely to get hit, because in the trailing it will just go come up to the here, and this up move will just destroy the stop loss. So I just set my stop loss here and let the trade run. I was sleeping at this moment because Indian Standard Times, this was the time to me for to sleep. So I sleep, and when I woke up, I see, oh my god, your account is passed. So this is how I passed my account, and I got almost 1 is to 6.5 RR trade. Although this is clickbait title, but you can see that if you talk with liquidities, you just be very good at the trading. So I would recommend you all talk with the liquidities, and also make sure that the trade you are taking with your risk capacity. In the trading, it's all about how much you can lose. It's not about how much you can make. It's all about how much you can lose or how much you can risk. So as of now, this trade was a trade breakdown also. And if you want to really enter in the euro USD longs, I would suggest, so if you get price above this area, and if price broke this area, let us assume this area, so this area can be the good area to enter, 1.04385. So see how the price reacted this. If you see there's a trend line making up, so that means there is some more liquidity, and one, two, three time taps. That means it's going weaker and weaker. So I am assuming one thing: price going up, taking this liquidity high, going down to this area, not this area. So this up, and you can just build some sort of swings here. So this was my trade breakdown. Hope you guys like it. Subscribe my YouTube channel, the Fibonacci Swings. Bye bye. See you next week on my analysis video.